So good day and welcome. Today we're going to be dealing with BECE 2018 Mathematics Past question 58. Find the difference between the range and the median of the following set of data. We have 12, 5, 11, 7, 5, 3 and 8. And the options given are 1, that's for A, then B we have 2, C we have 5 and D we have 7. Now we have to find the difference between the what? Between the range and the median. Difference between the range and the median. So we are required to what? We are required to find the median first of the range and also the median, and then find the difference between the range and the median, that is to subtract the median from the range. Now simply we know that range is given as what? The highest number minus the least number. And like we know, the highest number from this given set of data is equal to what? Is equal to 12. And the lowest number from this given set of data is equal to what? 3. So therefore range is equal to what? The highest number, which is 12, minus the lowest number, which is 3, and this will give us 9. So range is equal to 9. Now the second part says what? The median. To find the median, we have to rearrange this following set of numbers in an orderly manner, that is from the lowest to the highest. And by doing that, we do what? I say we have to rearrange, and by doing that, what do we have? We have from the lowest, we have 3, we have 5, 7, 8, 11 and 12. Now we find the median, that is the middle number here. This is 1, 2, 3, this is 1, 2, 3. So the middle number here is 7. Therefore median is equal to 7. Now the question says the difference, that is subtraction. So we have to subtract median from the range, and so therefore the range minus median will be equal to 9 minus 7, and this is equal to 2. So therefore the answer is 2. The range minus median, the range is 9 and the median is 7. So the range minus median will give us 2. Option A here says 1, B here says 2, which is correct, C says 5 wrong, and D says 7 wrong. So the correct answer to this question is option B, 2. Thank you very much and God bless you. Please ensure to subscribe to the channel for more videos.